Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Convert 320 mmHg to ATM. Correct answer is to convert 320 mmHg to ATM, we need to use the conversion factor that relates these two units of pressure. 1 ATM equals 760 mmHg. Now we can set up a proportion to solve for the pressure in atmospheres. 320 mmHg 1 ATM by 760 mmHg equals 0.4 to 11 ATM. Therefore, 320 mmHg is equal to 0.4 to 11 ATM.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.